Good day, I'm Jennifer Tobado, third year student of Bachelor of Elementary Education at Navotas Polytechnic College, and I'm happy to share with you the findings from our research on the grade 9 student perceived impact of online learning on academic performance at Kaunlaran High School in Navotas City. The rapid shift to online learning due to the COVID-19 pandemic has made it crucial to investigate its effects on student academic outcomes. The COVID-19 pandemic has caused a swift transition to online learning, which has made it necessary to do an immediate study of how it affects student academic performance. This study aims to provide insight that may lead to development of interventions and strategies to enhance the effectiveness of online learning. In the research process, in this study, we use a qualitative approach, collecting data through interviews and questionnaires with the grade 9 student at Kaunlaran High School. This allowed us to gain in-depth understanding of how students perceive the challenges and opportunities of online learning and the impact on their academic performance. The research process was not without its challenges. Coordinating with the school administration and securing parental consent for student participation required significant effort and communication. Additionally, conducting remote interviews during the pandemic presented logistical difficulties that we had to navigate. Our research revealed several key findings regarding the perceived impact of online learning on academic performance. While some students reported improvements in their overall academic performance and engagement, and many students experienced difficulties staying focused and motivated, as well as technical issues that negatively impacted their learning. The students expressed a strong preference for face-to-face interaction with teachers and classmates, which they felt was lacking in the online learning environment. They also found it harder to understand course material without in-person explanation from teachers. My personal reflection in conducting this research has been a valuable learning experience for me because I gained knowledge and experiences on how the impact of online learning has on student academic performance and how to cope or what are the solutions to this kind of problems. I gained a deeper appreciation for the complexities of educational transitions, particularly in the context of a global pandemic. Listening to the perspective of students firsthand has challenged some of my own assumptions and broadened my understanding of the unique challenges they face. This research has also reinforced the importance of incorporating student voices in educational decision making. Their insights are crucial for informing policies, pedagogical approaches, and support systems that can truly address their needs and optimize learning outcomes. In conclusion, this study highlights the critical need for educational institutions in Navotas City to develop strategies that address the perceived challenges of online learning and leverage its potential benefits. By doing so, they can better support student academic success and foster a more effective and engaging learning environment. Both during the pandemic and the post-COVID era, moving forward, I believe this research can serve as a foundation for further investigations into long-term impacts of online learning and the development of comprehensive solutions to enhance the educational experiences of students. Thank you.